The English lecture grade 2. Hope you all are fine, doing well at home. This is our English class and we are going to start our lesson number 5, unit number 1. Our topic today is sentences. We are going to do our exercise A. Your exercise A is find 7 sentences. Put capital letters at the beginning and full stops at the end. And copy the passage, okay? You have to copy this passage on your notebook, as well as you have to correct the capital letter where needed. Okay, you have to find out the sentences, separate them, okay, and write the capital letter at the beginning of the words where needed and full stop. They have done the first sentence for you here, which is I have one sister and one brother. Okay, they write I capital in pink color. Okay, I have one sister and one brother, full stop. So you have to do the same like this. Okay, now let's read the passage first. Read your passage with me. I am going to read the passage for you. I have one sister and one brother. My sister's name is Sarah. She likes reading. My brother's name is Ali. He likes playing cricket. Our friend name is Adam. He likes riding his bicycle. Okay, this is your passage. You have to copy it and write the passage on your notebook and put the capital letters at the beginning of the word where needed at the sentence. Okay, and full stop at the end. Okay, these are 7 sentences written in the form of passage. You have to separate these sentences. Okay, write them in a sequence of number 1 to 7. Capitalize the first letter of the word, okay, first letter of the sentence, and mention the full stop at the end of the sentence. You have to write the 7 sentence in the sequence like this. Okay, I have done this for you. I will send you the picture as well. Okay, I am going to paste the picture on it on your video. You have to check it from there and copy it on your notebook. Now come to the exercise B. Describe yourself on a piece of paper. Okay, you have to describe about yourself. They write here on a piece of paper, but you can do it on your English notebook. You have to describe yourself on your English notebook, and you have to take the ideas from the table here. I am have like. Okay, they have made a table for you and they have written some words in it. I am have like, just like I have long hairs. Okay, I have a blue shirt. Okay, I have glasses. I have orange bag. I have white shoes. I have short hair, like this. You have to make the sentences about yourself like this. I'm tall, I'm fat, I'm very thin. Okay, you have to write the sentences like this. I like computers, I like playing football, I like to watch TV, I like drawing pictures. Okay, I don't like cartoons, like this. Now I like cartoons. I don't like playing cricket. I like playing badminton. Okay, you have to write the sentences about yourself. And you can easily take the help from this box in making your sentences. Like example, here is an example. I am quite tall, I have curly hairs, and I like reading. Okay, you have to write 4 to 5 sentences about yourself on your English notebook and do it by yourself. Okay, your exercise C is a game. We are going to do it in our class whenever our school going to open. Inshallah, we will do it in our class. Now come to the next page, page number 8. Okay, now this is your lesson number 6, reading sharing part 2. Okay, now we have to read the story here. Read the story with me carefully. Listen as you read the end of the story, then answer this question. What does Samir learn from Dada? Okay, we have to read the story and answer the question. So start reading our story. Read the first picture and with the first sentence. The next morning, Fiza and Samir play in the living room. Okay, we have learned the sharing part 1, and here we learned about Fiza's and Samir relationship. The behavior of Samir with Fiza is not very good, and Fiza felt very bad for it. Okay, now they continued the story here. The next morning, Fiza and Samir play in the living room. Okay, the next morning, Fiza and Samir are playing in the living room. Fiza, can I play with your tablet, please, Samir? Okay. Samir replied, no, you can't. It's my tablet and girls can't play with tablets. Okay, Samir replied to Fiza that you can't play with my tablet, and he thinks like girls didn't play with tablets, so you can't play with my tablet. Okay. Dada takes the tablet and put it on a high shelf in the showcase. Okay, Dada put the tablet in the high shelf of showcase as you seen in the picture. Why did you take my tablet, Dada? Samir asked that, Dada, why you take my tablet? Dada replies, if you want your tablet, you must say sorry first. Okay, so Dada asked Samir about saying sorry to Fiza. Okay, so if you want your tablet, you must say sorry first. In the third picture, why I must say sorry? Now Samir asked to Dada, why I must say sorry? Now Dada says, yesterday you ate Fiza's sweet, drank her milk, and threw her teddy into the tree. Now please give it back to her and say sorry. Okay, Dada is asking to Samir that you behave unlikely to Fizas yesterday. You ate her sweets and you drank her milk, and you threw her teddy in the tree. So give her teddy back to her, okay? And please say sorry to her, na? Now Samir says, sorry Fiza. And Fiza replies, that's all right, Samir. It means Samir realized that what he done yesterday. Now I want you to share the milk and the sweets, the same for each of you, okay? And Samir says, now I want you to share the milk and the sweets, the same for each of you. And Dada is giving them the milk and sweets, and Samir says, I want to share with you. And Fiza says, thank you, Dada. Okay, now Dada says, in our family, boys and girls are equal. We also share the things. Do you understand? Dada is telling Samir to their family rules, that in their family they share the things with both boys and girls, and their rules are same for both the boys and the girls. Okay, so Samir have to share the things with Fiza and behave well with her. Yes, Dada. Fiza, would you play with my tablet? And now Samir is replying to Fiza that, would you play with my tablet? He understands what Dada said to him. Okay, now we are going to answer the question, what does Samir learn from Dada? Samir learned from Dada that girls and boys have equal rights and we must share our things. We have to behave well with one another. This is the moral which the story is giving us, that boys and girls have equal rights, students. Okay, your sister, your brother, you all have equal rights. Okay, you have your own rights. You have to behave well with each other, speak politely, and take care of the things, take care of your stuff as well as your sibling stuff. Okay, and please behave well with each other, have a friendly behavior between you. Okay, and share your things. So today we have learned some good lesson. Now you have to practice this at your home. You have to behave well with your siblings and with your friend. You have to share the things with other, and you have to give equal rights to boys and girls. This is our lesson for the day. And you have to read the page number 8, lesson number 6, sharing. Read it by yourself, read the topic carefully, and do the activity A of page number 7, lesson number 5 on your English notebook. Do your work neat and tidy. Hope you understand the video and hope you understand the lecture. Take care, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.